PDFs are very important file format. Often we need it and we use third-party apps and hectic process. If you share Word or Excel file via email or USB, often font changes or document layout changes, which is really annoying for us. Today I'll tell you how to convert any Word or Excel file in PDF just with a one click, without any software. Stick around, I'll show you how. Please subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below. First you need to open any Microsoft software like Word, Excel, whatever you are working in with. So I am opening first Microsoft Word. So I'll search Word, I'll click here. Now you can open any blank document, or you can choose any existing document. So I'm choosing one existing document here. I'm clicking on it. Now this is my document, which consists of totally you can see here 22 pages. So I want to convert it into a PDF. So usually when you are saving a file, you click on file and then you click on save, but here I will click on save as. Then I'll click on this PC, or either you can choose any other location which you want. So I'm clicking on this PC. I did double click, and then this is the location, documents. This is usually a default location. You can choose any other location from here on this left panel. So I am saving this. One click you need to do here, and then you can see here is a PDF. So just click here, and then you need to click on this save. Now there is one option of open file after publishing. So if I uncheck it, it will not open the PDF file. It shows the preview actually. So if I click here, by default it is click. So I click on save. Now you can see that the preview of the PDF is shown. I have this software, so it is showing here. Whatever software you are using, it will show the preview in that software. So I'm just closing it. Now this was to convert any PDF file directly to save as completely the whole document. But if you want a certain pages, how will you do it? So that I'll show you also. For example, if I want, I don't want the first page, I want to start from the second page and go on till page 10. So I'll click on file, I click on save as, then I'll click on this PC to choose my location. Then I'll click here save as type, and then click on PDF. Now this time you can see here there's options here. So I click here, and then you can see you can choose the current page here or the pages range. I want from 2 till 10, so I'll click 2 here, and I'll click here until I get 10. So now you can see 2 till 10. I'll click on OK, and this time I don't want to see the preview, so I'll uncheck this also, and I'll click on save. And they are saying that this is already existing because I already saved it. So I'll just mark it new and 2 till 10. These are the pages. So I'll click on save now. Now it is saved. So now I'll show you. I'll open this PC, and the location was documents. So now you can see I have two files. One, the normal file which I have saved before. I'll show you that also. You can see it has total 22 pages, and now I'll show you the new document. You can see it started from 2. So see how easy you can save any file. You don't need any third-party software, or you need our online. Some people are using online method to convert Word files to PDF. It takes so much time. You can do it like a snap, very quickly. I hope this video was super helpful for you. So why don't you give me a like, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it till yet, and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.